The FKJGP Upper Shillong Circle has voiced strong opposition to the state government's plan to relocate the Anjali petrol pump to land belonging to the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. This decision was discussed during a meeting on the 3rd of August 2023, where a delegation from the organization had met with the concerned minister A.L. Heck after learning about the government's intention to move the petrol pump from its current location at Anjali Point to a site at 7th Mile Upper Shillong. The state government aims to acquire the current Anjali Point location for road widening and is considering allocating a plot of land at the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department's farm in Upper Shillong for the private petrol pump. In a letter addressed to the authorities, the FKJGP Upper Shillong Circle expressed concern that using the land meant for agriculture and farming activities for a commercial venture like a petrol pump would undermine the intended developmental purposes of the concerned department. Further discussions on this issue were held today, the 9th of May 2024, involving representatives from the FKJGP Upper Shillong Circle, the Khasi Students Union Upper Shillong Circle, and the Sinjuk Kinong Sanchar Shnong Upper Shillong. The president of the FKJGP Upper Shillong Circle, Kitbor Lang Nongplang, criticized the state government's decision to allocate approximately 13,500 square feet of government land to a non-tribal businessman for the petrol pump project, while local indigenous individuals were evicted from the same area without receiving any compensation for the use of their land.
FKJGP Upper Shillong Circle, KSU Upper Shillong Circle, bagi nongelam juga Sinjuk Kinong Sanchar Shnong, jangka tanya Upper Shillong, kalau mendakui kejingmut kalau hadian keba jing persya jungi hagi senam yang meladap keba ngi kwa banker nang masai bandado wasdang ngiru ngi sotu ya kata jing don kam jangka ti kesingkir ka roy kapar kan ka dong thain khamtam ke jing penstat ya kan ga jing trei ka sulok forliet mo ladon ko serpi sidu spot doki tinado ko wasdang hingi nglakan sai ba yo kidon ngi sotu bakala ya sia da ko buram ko kilat sai ko bor mo ka heading ka de banlong baik thik abai dei ba kani ka benta namar bunsin kimi ki jing tho kimi kiran ga jing bong sutu bakla jom ki pai ba jom bangi persya ya kata ka roy kapal ya kata ka forlien lan ni jing sina ta fly over tendok do pas dangi ya kan rem kalau bangi persya ya kata ka jing sina fly over ndai ka jing persya kasungi kalau ba halor kano kono rem ba ka sarkar ka ajaka ya ubom dei trai muluk hapo ki jaka sarkar beling keren saya kata kalau mbak hadian mengi ya ki jingja ki fer bangi sumutuk saya ba kadega no siliang pala kadega jinglong jingman jung ni sarkar ko menta namal lada dei khlajat ki bomdei trai muluk ka sarkar ka ai ki jaka walar kisa ko jaka sarkar ro kisa ba andu undon munut berkenang iki ka sarkar kam simkia pe nadu them nator pe nadu te pok maxwell pok laban bat kiwi ki jingja ko pi hakini ki nyak singi wal dem dari balai kalau khala tang ni pok terpam bahapan ai jaka pok jaka sarkar kuma kaja kini ki snam ki balalek no ni sutu ka jing sina kini furlian kam ni su sin bun kom pok jala ka jumi ki bun ki surok ki bypass ki balami ki dan ki trai jaka ki ba ki hapan pengkeriak nanto ka sarkar kasih be ka compensation ka bagi sina sanu sunuru ko sang mon besuki dari balai kalau khala be tang ye uni bar jala bagi hapan ai jaka kerpan ka jaka jung sarkar kataru larang ibet ya ka jinglong jingman ka jaka lara supet ka khmat brio mo ngin nomi i bukan man pala ka arajar ni arajar san spa square feet ka jaka dari balai ba kalau khala ande ban ai yu ti putra pa montai ban ai sen ni po jaka sarkar sen po thanya perslong ka balang hodo khatlai hajar san spa square feet ka kun jing tho ni pa hoi ngi ba ka jingkren joki bor sarkar kaya laj pak lebak ba ka ni jing tho ka bangi yo mai ko islam ti kata ka daw ko bakong san kabangi ngem kwa hukum kini ki jingja ke nangja nang niskhmat nomor boleh mentala ta aila di uni barjela uni puter pamban ai jaka sarkar la sai ngi ting singi bakan set ka presiden pat